I don't know how I got this in my collection of sill pads, but I found it at the bottom of the pile and it's ridiculous. You'd be lucky to find a sill pad in a bake shop, much less this silly thing with circles all over it. You wouldn't want necessarily all of your circles to be this prescribed size. So you're going to take a parchment, a Sharpie, and whatever size ring you need. It could be any size you need, a big cake ring or it could be a small one. You're going to space those, knowing what you know about what your product's going to be. You need to leave room for expansion and you're going to offset them. That's where the magic triangle comes in, the golden triangle. So this is how it works. You take a sheet pan and you place your parchment that you've drawn on right on top, and over it you put a fresh, clean parchment that's cut to fit. So it doesn't matter which direction you have the underneath, you can see through to your outlines through the clean parchment. And then you're going to pipe right over the top and you're going to bake it. Just bake it. Leave both parchments on there. When you're done, after it's cool, you pull out your stencil parchment and you get to reuse it over and over and over again. Do it like a pro, be efficient, save money, save time, keep it clean.